Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays, Real Talk with a Real Tour. I'm Sharice Wynn, also known as the Agent Lady. And today, guys, I don't have any Real Talk, Real Tour stuff. All I can say is, Happy Thanksgiving! Yay! Well, that's tomorrow, of course. I want you guys to have Happy Thanksgiving with your friends and family. And be sure to tell them why you're grateful, why you appreciate them. We just started this tradition last year in my family. I wish we would have started a long time ago, but it's never too late, right? So what I'm grateful for is my birthday was just this past Monday on the 19th, and I thank God that I was able to turn 38, and I hope to see 39. You know, as you get older and you see people pass away, it just becomes more real that tomorrow's not promised. So I'm grateful to turn 38. Feels amazing. I'm also grateful for my friends and family. I have some really super fragilistic expialidocious, I think I said that right, people in my life, and I just want them to know that you're very near and dear to my heart, so I appreciate you. And I'm also grateful that God has granted me the opportunity to help so many people achieve their goals and buying their first home. So remember, tomorrow, enjoy your family and friends, and I do understand that the holidays in general is not a happy time for everyone. So if you can't find something to be happy about, I'm sure we can find at least one thing to be grateful for. So again, enjoy your family and friends. And until next time, remember, share that time with your family and have a good one.